pretty exciting. There it is. First load of rock. All right, here's a little bit of what I do to get rocks in my shovel, just like that. I'll back up and get one more load. All right, today we're gonna do a 90-degree turn, as we often have to do in life. So we're gonna do, it's gonna be 36 inches wide, because it's going to be, down here it's gonna be over 5 feet high. So we need to have it wide enough to hold back all the infill that's gonna go in here next spring. So hopefully this finds you well and good, and the gabion wall continues here at Lucky Dog Farm. So stay tuned for more, and that's our progress to date. Today I'm going to cut this all up and start on the little foundation channel that's going to go right through here. It's that time of year. It is that time of year, getting chilly, but boy, is it beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Looking out towards the Boise foothills over there. There's our windmill. And there is Shadow, the ugly cat, Milo. And what I'm working on here is right here. So this wall here is so high, it's coming up to this upper line, that this is 4 feet long, and I had to add 6 inches. So you can see I spliced that, kind of made a box here, that, and then now on the sides are going to come up, and then I'm going to start putting braces all the way through here, because the rock is going to be so heavy. Otherwise, it'll just bow out. So hope you're having a great day. This is the scene from Lucky Dog Farms, and it is a beautiful end of October. Hope this finds you great. Talk to you soon.